Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to change screen timeout in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change guys your screen timeout setting, so guys you can change it. And guys now let's see how to change screen timeout in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching video first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys now let's start the video. First of all open your phone setting. Then guys click on display and brightness setting. Guys click on screen timeout. So as you can see guys, you can change from your example for guys. Now I will tell you guys 15-second screen timeout setting. So I will click here, and guys you can see after 15 seconds guys our phone screen will off. And guys wait and let's see. And before guys please go and like, comment, subscribe my channel. As you can see it's going and I. So I hope friends you have understood how to change screen timeout in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye my friends.